I gotta shout my niggas out that had to throw today. Ain't judging you, my nigga, get it, go and make a way. Cause I was broke before my nigga, and it's safe to say nobody love you till you up or till you in your grave. I might just throw a couple shots, but we ain't throwing shade. I never like to show my hand, we got that ace of spades. Told my mama I'm thugging outside, we don't leave cable. Hella paid, I got it on me, come and find out. Tropic berry Sprite in this mix with some lines in it. Windows tinted dark in the bitch, we gon' slide in it. How many hits can I get until it's got?
What up, guys? It's me, your boy Savon MC. Today, I'll be showing to unload this trailer right here. This is a pneumatic trailer. I believe it's a 2012 Mack Trail King, something like that. I don't know really about the make and model, but anyway, they're basically all the same. I'm gonna show you how to unload this one real quick, go over it briefly. All right, let's put ourselves in the scenario, right? You pull it up to the silo that you're gonna be unloading from, or you know, whatever you're gonna be unloading. In my case, I fill silos. So let's say you pull it up to the plant site, you parked, you're in the position ready to blow off, right? But you haven't set up yet, and you don't know how to set up. Well, that's what you got Savon MC for. So you're gonna hop out of the truck. This is your blower right here, all right? So you're gonna take this off, all right? You're gonna hook up your air hose, all right? Hook up your air hose to this. So you take this off, this little clamp right here, and there's two other clamps like this on the end of that. So you're gonna connect your hose and your blower, and gonna clamp those on, of course. Clamps are like this. See, this is when it's loose, and then you tighten it back up, you just put it back on, just like that. Just like that. All right, air hose and blower connected, right? Make sure all of your valves are up. All right, make sure all your valves are like that. If your valve's like this, and then you start blowing off and you wonder why you know, nothing's really happening, or your air's not building properly, what have you, check all your valves, make sure they're not like this, because if they're like this, then that means they're open, right? And you're not gonna build any air pressure like that, so make sure it's up like that, valves closed, and you'll probably see a big difference. Same thing with this one. It's down right now because the trailer is empty. But yeah, this is your I believe this is your butterfly line, or maybe this one is your blow-up line. I don't know, not sure honestly, but I do know how to blow off this trailer. So this is down right now because the trailer is empty. When we emptied out, when you empty out, you're gonna have to release the air pressure. So this is gonna be down unless you're going back to the shipper, you know, maybe you want to lift it back up. But yeah, other than that, for the most part, when you're unloading this is gonna be down after you're done unloading, because you're gonna release the pressure that way. But we're getting loaded right now, so this is gonna be up. Okay. Valve's gonna be up like this. This is this valve. I don't know exactly what it's called, but I can tell you what it does. So with this valve, it's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's basically like your main air pressure line, okay? So with that being down like this, you're definitely not going to be building any pressure what have you. You're just gonna turn on your PTO in the truck, and then you're just gonna be making a bunch of freaking noise. But when you lift this, you're gonna realize it's gonna get a lot louder. But that's good, because then you'll realize you'll start actually building some air pressure. You're not gonna be wondering, oh, what's going on? It's not unloading. Oh my God. Yeah, it's because you had that down. But as long as you got that up, you should be good. Okay? Should be good. Make sure all your pot valves are closed. That's these down here. All right. On this pneumatic trailer, I think some pneumatic trailers, they have like 3-5 pots. This one has 3. Some have 2 pots. The one on the side over here is a 2-pot trailer. This is 3-pot trailer. So make sure all your valves at the bottom are closed. All right. Okay. Then we'll go to the back. We'll take our hose out back there, and we connect to our silo. It's gonna be somewhere over here. Same process as basically that air hose that you were connecting earlier. All right. And that's that. After that, you would go in the truck up there, turn this button on. This button is your PTO. Anyway, yeah, so I'm not gonna waste time and try to explain to you exactly how the PTO is set up in this truck, because it might vary from yours. But on this one, you would click the PTO button. You would set your cruise control on this particular truck, how this one's set up. You set the cruise control, and then you just rev up from there. We blow off at 1100. Some people blow higher than that, like 1300, but it's 1100 for us. Okay, something I forgot to mention before. This right here is your top air valve. I know before I said that you wanna have all these valves basically closed while you're unloading. But as for this one being top air, which literally means the air just goes to the top of the trailer to help the product unload. I guess this really depends on what exactly you're carrying. Some people, they just keep it closed like this because they don't use top air. So, like I said, I guess it just depends on what you're carrying. I usually keep mine right around here, and it seems to blow or unload fine. Just keeping it right around here. Gauges. When it comes to the gauges, you got your PTO going, you're blowing off. This one's gonna be for your line, one's gonna be for your tank. On this trailer, this is my line, this is my tank pressure. When you start first building that air pressure to open that first pot, this is gonna start building. Once it gets to about, for me, around 7 to 10 PSI. Once you open your pot, right? Once you get it to that pressure you want, I actually come here, I bring this down, and then I open my pot. Some people do it like vice versa. They'll open the pot first. Once they get their air pressure, then they'll open this, and it like kind of adjusts or whatever. But yeah, when you're done, close the pot, and this goes from this back up to this, build the air pressure, and you just repeat that whole process for each pot. I open my first pot to unload. Then basically you just watch your gauges, make sure everything is good. This should stay around the 7 to 10 PSI mark. It might go up a little bit, might go down a little bit. And this one should do the same. It should be around 7 and 10 as well. But just watch it, because it can possibly get stopped up, what have you. So yeah, just watch it. And yeah, after that, you know, that when that first spot starts emptying, it's gonna you're gonna notice it's gonna start making a loud vibration noise. So that's when you'll know it'll be close to getting done. When it's officially done, your gauges will look exactly how they're looking right now. They'll be down here at 0 psi. So yeah, I just thought that I would give you this quick little video on how to unload a pneumatic trailer, and for all those guys that's new to pneumatic. Yep, I shared all I know with you, and best of luck to you. Don't blow any shit up, all right?